Let's go. Sibling rivalry.
One more time.
What are we gonna say, bro? Let's plan something.
For what? We've been working just that. Hello.
What's up, everybody?
And a big welcome back to 2026 version of Sibling Rivalry.
Sibling Rivalry, season 26.
That was a quick start.
We skipped a couple of seasons, but I mean, I'm sure you guys will, forgive us here and there,
With me, Talita Ndima. If it's your first time here, welcome.
Yes, Tamzwibiri Tamzwaiko Zuko Sisa Loiso Ndima is the name. Zizi Lama Zizu Chamus Chatu Fagati. Back again. It feels weird.
What?
I have to say it up front. I just feel weird now.
Being
I'm
back.
being in this chair.
Me too.
And now staring at the camera, and I'm just like, what's happening? But hopefully I'm gonna settle soon. Good turn.
This is my nervous little brother. That's so weird.
Maskendane nerves. Xhosa solve it all. Indoni nerves in English. Dine nerves.
I'm nervous.
It's not nervous. Denzeli nerves. It's not you making me nervous, no.
You're crapping in my cup.
You's making me nervous.
You're making me nervous. You don't even say English, Olin.
And yes, anxiety. Lempahla bathi anxiety.
No, that's not what nerves is.
Denzeli nerves. Denzeli nerves.
I guess. I don't like the fact that it's anxiety though. Because it feels like it's something else. Yes, there's anxiety.
Definitely corner.
Yes.
Yeah.
But it doesn't feel like it. Guys, Utala Simkile, and we've been dying with the hate mail that you guys have been sending us.
I wouldn't call it hate mail, man.
Yeah, people will be like, yay, Buyani. People are sending knives and stuff.
Yeah, but people are also like, Aibo, niti xa ningekho nithi masithini.
Funny, read a book.
Siphilele ntoni xa ningekho nithini. Ndithi ke mna ke foni nandiyaka kufuneka sibuye.
Sibuyile ke guys. We took a well-deserved break, but we'd already prepped you guys for our break anyway, so it wasn't a surprise. But we're back now, and sizoqhuba as per usual.
100%, and I hope you guys have also caught up on all the episodes, everything that you've missed. Koko nabo baqale back at one. You're like a dream come true.
And kukho nabo who have never watched Bling Line. I hope you guys watch Bling Line.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Poreko diyobukela lo Bling Line. And then you're like, yo, I've been missing out so long.
100%.
All this time, dear Poswa. So yeah, welcome to it. The dad episode came out to everybody.
Yes, if you don't know.
Now you know. Catch the dad episode. Streaming live. Not live, but available on stream. You can catch it on Spotify. You can catch it on all the other apps. But yeah. So yeah, welcome to it, guys. Nyakomcha.
Nyakomcha of February.
Compliments kuni nonke man, yabo.
100%, guys. I hope ningene kahle, and I hope that you've already started kwenza imali ninzi.
Ne? Uchiba madlamini?
Funny standard kasiyeke. Oh, I've got a announcement.
Okay.
I
know.
Sorry.
I know the nerves.
Okay, so this week is my debut episode on Skimsa.
Hi bo, ungubani ngumapitsi. Ukukho pitsi mos no mapitsi. Pitsi ngumntana kamapitsi. Ungibabalwa.
Ewe. So kanjani ungumapitsi fonini ngingumXhosa kazi.
Ungibabalwa. Okay. Ubelonga Mama Bolo family.
No, I don't belong to anyone's family.
Okay. So get that phone.
No, so get your work.
What's happening?
Go and watch
Okay.
Monday to Friday,
Okay.
7:30, SABC 1.
SABC 1 after 7, Monday to Friday.
100%.
Okay. So,
Nindibukele ke,
babalwa
guys.
pa.
Yeah.
So on ngoku.
I'm saying this week is the week
cool.
I start being
Oh,
on. I start
nice.
being on the 4th of Feb.
Oh, okay.
Mm.
All right. Hi, okay, that's cool. I guess like bukela ke phone.
No, but I mean,
how was your performance out of 10? Performance out of 10 is that?
I'll give it an 8.5.
How different are you? How different is the character from you?
I think
because if it's like a lot different, I'm gonna struggle to watch.
I know.
Yeah.
It's not too different.
Okay.
But shrubs lasisi and yakwazi uba shrubs masnam.
Akenzi laa nto wawuyenza phaa kulaa nto yakho yokuqala ngoku awuzawuyenza. Kaloku kukhe walipolisakazi elalisela litshaya afaka umakhulu wethu engxakini wabe umakhulu efleke explainele abantu ba hayi ayiyoblandi le ayiti.
Also, ela polisa guys lasela kayi-1 la chaya kayi-1.
Might as well have been doing it the whole episode.
That's so funny.
Uright ubabalwe.
No, uright babala useli kofu ne-drink.
Oh, okay. Is it a good character or a bad character?
Good.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
As far as I've seen, yes.
Pofke wasoloko
That's all I'm good.
Yeah. And I'm like, and when you bowl as a rolls, but when I be cherry Papa G. You understand? Be shipping queen.
Scandal. It's the space, bro.
But funny. Okay, let's say for example, who audition for a role shipping queen. How? Funny, you could get discovered. Yeah.
Okay, what's the scene? What's happening?
The scene is.
Yes.
Yeah. Uyafika a back room ye shipping apho uhlala khona nomuntu wakho. And when you
back room.
Kaloku shipping then nihlala okay main house.
Okay. Hey, we shipping is a garage. Okay.
Uyafika phaya usuku ukwenza shopping. You understand? For unantsika wakho lo muntu wakho i-owner ye shipping.
Am I not the shipping queen?
Yes, i-owner ye shipping kaloku.
The shipping queen is the owner.
Cherika owner. Oh. Okay. Never mind. Oh, i-shipping queen ngula mama waye ku Generations. Mam Rupi. She runs the thing.
Yakhe. Oh, you're shipping queen, but you're the cherry of the shipping.
Okay,
guy.
sharp, we shipping queen.
Yeah.
Uyafika usuko stock. Yabo. Dazi ke mdlela ndawo stock wapi. Usuko stock ke.
The macro.
Uyabuya ke ngoku then ke ngoku ukho umuntu phaya ozokwelita. And kudala ikwelita ingakabhada.
Okay.
So
are you going to play?
Hayibo. Mam Rosie usebuyile uJabu lana. Ufuna ukubhala edolweni futhi. And action.
You don't have Jabu?
Team I feel like I'm acting more than you. Cut. Cut. Aribo.
So
Monologue. Enjoy monologue, Chloe.
You don't give somebody monologue. Kambuzo ayithini ngxaki yakhe. Hayibo. Zuko, come on.
Guys, I tried. Please write
so
us a scene.
you don't want to be...
Please write us a scene.
So you don't want me to be discovered?
What about me?
Mhlawumbe uzodiscoverisha nawe look.
Okay, mixeni zala nguwe lo yachonga mamela man. Fethu andande enzekayo man ngikogrela.
Yayazi into kwenzekayo wena you owe me 274 rand.
Kaloku but ke yazi
ngokukweleta njani?
Ngathi sozoyibuyisa dan sentsho kaloku soloko ndiyibuyisa yazi noba baxase khoneni man yabo. Jonga mamela ke jonga. Phethe nathi iketile mona uyifuna iketile.
Iketile ngizoyithini uthatha black ketile?
No, jo suhara man yalo because no, ingxaki yalo yabo. Uyayazi kodwa.
Phuma kwam.
Ayithisi
mostly. Andifuna ukuphinde ndikubone
Yo, nozala kodwa okay.
Nozala wakho mama kusendlini kowenu.
Okay, kanirhabilise ke.
Rhabilise ntona apha?
Okay.
Oh, well done. You were so good. If you're looking for a para for your next show,
and we are looking for a content producer because what is this? No ways. That took a very dark turn.
Oh, that was good. I know,
That's your problem.
No, funini ndifuna ukhasa kwinto ziright.
Ne?
Ungayenza into kuthiwa khulula impahla. Like ungabenza u-adulting for an example.
It's stuffy.
You wouldn't.
You gotta look check funny.
Oh, funny check. I mean, what's enough to take off your clothes and assimilate?
Meter.
Oh, please, you're not gonna get that. That's for sure.
Okay, nothing less than a meter.
Really? So your body's worth a meter?
Yeah, more. Man. Gee, I know my worth. No, I mean, no. Also, it's not my career, Mchana, so I feel like I'm the wrong person to ask. You, on the other hand, might be a better person to ask.
No.
You wouldn't?
No.
Okay.
I have parents and family members.
But kaloku
remember going down to the police and then Granny caught smoke.
And you were the one smoking.
And I was the one smoking.
Oh, so you wouldn't do scenes like that?
No. Okay. And also, they just don't pay you enough for that, man.
Fair.
Because
is there enough payment that someone could give you for that?
Yeah, but yeah, it's giving meter, bro. But that's never gonna happen. In the meters.
But we are kwezinye izinto efakhululu. Ambe.
Uthini?
Or kissing scene.
Akho ngxaki.
Kissing scene okay wanayo. You're telling.
Uzipamba.
The things you do for money, guys.
What's wrong with kissing? Kissing is nice.
Yeah, okay.
Oh no, yes, I really
yeah, funding. And there's like 2 million people in this room, and now on demand, if you feelings, be passionate kiss. You
don't have to have feelings, just kiss me passionately.
Oh, how do you do that? If I'm phoning umkisa lo mntu.
No.
Yeah. I'm very
because
happy.
Because ayinguwe luphuzayo yi-character yakho.
Cha kumzimba wakho but spirit iso spirit sakho. Mna mandiphoswe man.
Is that why you stop at kissing, really?
Yeah.
That's so wild.
Yafane ke ndiholde your hand.
Ngumhage.
Bala mazinyo. Oh no, bro.
We were talking about while we were away, I guess, we were talking about izinto ezizenzayo that we hide from people, and then we like izono, basically.
What a heavy word.
I know. Even saying it felt awkward. Izono that we do, and we'll hide from other people, including our parents, our friends, wherever. But where it counts is like but he can see them.
Yeah.
So what's that disconnect?
What's with that?
Yeah, what's with that? What's the disconnect with isonos oslandugayo oshaidayo from abantu who are not the judge and juries of your life? Do you know what I mean?
Is it about a judge and jury? Because it's not if ndiyakwazi usenza sosono.
What is it about then?
Andiyazi nangam siphila kwinto indeke lies and everywhere is lies.
Is it about consequences? For instance, like when we were younger, you'd hide stuff from your parents.
Correct.
Because you knew that stuff would have consequences.
Yes. Yeah, as by was our bad, was our shout, or you're gonna get grounded, or whatever the case may be.
Sitini consequences kuyehova ke.
You see, this is the problem. This is where Satan plays his dirty tricks. Because consequences the indirect, and we've been taught, right? And I think actually I think the way we've been taught is that if you do something bad, you're not gonna go to heaven, right?
No,
but
we've been taught that if you do something bad, you can ask for forgiveness for it.
100%. But why do you not want to do something bad? Because you're not gonna get to heaven.
Uzolibala ask I forgiveness.
But the forgiveness must if do you you see now it's gonna get tricky, because do you get forgiven if you don't really mean it?
Yeah, that is the actual question.
Right? So I'm not I see it from the perspective of we've been taught about if you sin, you're gonna get judged and uzawufreshwa ngala kwe inde, gonna go to hell uzawufreshwa ngala kwe inde. Right? And then that's what we've been afraid of. That's what we know as the consequence.
We're definitely not afraid because we keep sinning all the time. We're not afraid.
Right? We're not afraid. And in us not being afraid, it's us also continuing to do that. Right? But we still hide it. Meaning that it disconnect in our heads where we think asibonwa. Because we also have this thing of lying to ourselves. Uyakwazi uzixokisa uzixelele ba no kaloku problem is that andisibhatelanga isizumi because andina mali.
Ubungenayo
no njani ingenile imali ingenile
kaloku if ndibhatele 10 andizokwazi ubhatala enye into enye consequences
if ubhatele 10 bazokwazi ubhatala irent.
Azokwazi ufaka ipetrol emotweni.
Isizumi is only 10% of your money, by the way.
And
so
if I'm getting paid 10,000 rand, it's 1,000 rand.
Okay.
And that's 1,000 rand for petrol.
But you paying 9,000 ngalo Somi.
Ingene ezirentini nokutyeni nasokutyeni na school fees omntana.
But at the end of the day, I've been having a very interesting conversation about that, right?
Yeah.
In terms of Tina, we put ourselves in a position whereby we are trying to solve the problems.
Okay.
Right? Which is why, and si clever also, which is why sikwazi uthethelela yongini. We say what about God, but in a way that is just like no man. You don't understand. You understand? But I'm up against the wall.
Because God knows your heart.
Yeah, understand?
Yeah.
And we are convinced.
Yes.
It's not always the case. No, we are very manipulative. We are we've got a dark side, right? A dark side that we are so afraid to confront that we never get to understand it. So kwathi.
Because asifuna
uyicinga. You don't even want to consider ba mna Talitha ndima ndingenza into embi elewi. And to such a point whereby you actually believe it. You understand? It's like umnu on narcissism. Umno in narcissist. Lamdu Lord genuinely I'd like to believe, but I can't believe it.
No, because we are ngengqondo. Okay, so
siyakula ngengqondo Tina. I promise you, to different degrees and different levels. I promise you. No, yeah, we can't rely on ourselves.
To what?
To just be like, to be normal, to be able to see all the point. Which is why we have friends, which is why Google psychologists, which is why Google zonke. Because all of these things are showing you, but you actually can't rely on yourself. Because you lie to yourself each and every single day. But which is why you can, when's the son usazi basisono, to answer your question, when's the son usazi basisono, how uqombe handful in central, come on phone kunini fonini ndapha amahlwempu ndathintini ndathunywa ngumama ndavuma ndiye enkonzweni every weekend I'm a good person. Ndiyadeserve. Take and lomi api remtini once in a while. We convince ourselves that and we believe it. Because we wouldn't do these things if we didn't believe it.
Yeah, true.
We wouldn't do these things if our business believe. So kuxube ne ungazazi, kuxube ne ubuclever, kuxube ne nyan bra like ungazazi but also ubuclever which is kind of ukuzithemba false.
Yeah, true.
It's mix mash.
Keep
that goes and yum is more shetin.
Yeah.
Because at the end of the day, we are the people that are losing the most in those interactions. We are the ones. We are the ones that walk away now with whatever consequences.
For sure. It's just very interesting to me how that disconnect is so blatant, yet it happens all the time.
Because we do it all the time. And another reason why we do it all the time is because we are so respectful of our feelings. Because we think they are real.
Oh, I don't know if I want to get into this.
We're so respectful of our feelings. So mindful of our feelings.
Okay.
But this is how I feel. And therefore, if I feel like this, I know, but this is how I fix this feeling. Therefore, I'll do anything if this is how appears I feeling. Yeah. And it makes it okay if the appears I feeling. Because I want to get out of feeling bad and this is making me feel good. So therefore, I'm doing something good.
Feel good.
Hey, I'm doing something good.
I mean, that's not the thought process for sure.
What's the thought? For example, when you sin, ne?
When I sin,
what's going through your mind? Like my sense example, like say you don't have to tell us what this. Bro, you came up with this topic. When is the last time you sinned? Walk us through the process, not the sin. Oh, please, not the sin.
I mean, I'm a sinner for him.
Okay.
Every day.
Okay. You see, there's a problem. Yeah.
Okay, let me think.
You sin. I did the like now. What?
Nocinga ingcinga ezingekho right kukusina. So lokhu ucinga ingcinga ezi right wena.
Okay, sorry. No, you were answering. Sorry.
So let's say this past weekend.
When Neil this past weekend, okay? Leading up to ugona kwakho, what were you thinking? Uone spare of the moment, or did you premeditate that sin?
I premeditated.
That sin, eh? Yeah. Fine. Now, in you premeditating that sin, when you were premeditating it, you are thinking about it. Did you think about, no. Because no man. I'm asking, no, we're not judging anyone.
No, well, fix your face then.
Okay, did you think it was, this is normal, this is who I am?
I mean, I didn't think of this is who I am. I was just like, oh, I want to do that.
Okay. And you didn't think...
Ba wrong already.
No. Because I call wrong kuwe.
Jaya's be wrong.
Kubani.
Yes.
And your parents, I'm sure.
And my parents.
And maybe certain people that know you.
Yeah, maybe.
And that's why you... So you weren't thinking about all of those things. You were just thinking about yourself.
Yeah, I wasn't thinking about any of those things. I was just like, I want to do that and I'm going to do that.
Yo, I'm talking to abantu. Yeah, I'm trying to guess this one.
No, we said we're not going to go there.
Okay, so then the reason why, that could be one of the reasons. The reason why is because we're not thinking about anybody else at that moment. The only thing that is important is you and how you feel. Because a lot of the time it's you appeasing a feeling.
For sure. Yeah.
Whatever the feeling, could be a positive feeling, could be a positive feeling, could be a negative feeling, could be whatever. But I'd like to think kubako if feeling, and then if feeling, your brain quickly then comes and says, oh, okay, usually when I feel like this, what happens? Then it will take the shortest route. And then you will then say, oh, okay, cool. This is usually what happens when it happens. And we only start thinking about abanya bandu and God and whoever else secondarily to that.
That's even if we do get there.
That's even if we do. And we only do sometimes only once we take Aba gone in the Zochamba.
For sure. For sure. Because I haven't thought about it since. When I had to like dig in my brain for
absolutely.
It. Yeah.
Which is so scary because that makes me feel like we're just going through life. She's a robot. We're robots just going through life. And we don't play an active role. Not that we don't have an active role to play. We definitely have an active role to play, but we just don't play. We just refuse to play it. Tina, we want to stand on the sidelines of our lives.
Okuningi though. Who play an active role every day, every minute.
What do you mean?
Awake.
We're awake to do the best for yourself. Because also for me, it's like, kwa isono, like, isono smosha wena. Asmoshi yesu.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It just messes you up. Whatever the thing is, like whatever the thing is. And that's one thing that took me the longest time to understand growing up. Because my nan solo we make Jesus sad. Sure, with certain things. And I guess it's like watching someone you love do something to destroy themselves. Which is essentially what it is.
Yeah,
so
sure.
Would it make him sad? Sure. Because but also we've been given free will and all of these things, right? So and the one thing that kind of helped me was that realization, no man, this thing is not about making Jesus sad. It's about I'm messing up my life, my future life.
Papa yami asesini. Yeah, emotion.
A healthy and almond milk. And it makes me think, grand sharp. His self-worth, is actually
on the floor.
On the floor. Whoa, that took a dark turn. Absolutely.
Scraping the bottom of the barrel.
Yes. Because obviously, making Jesus sad doesn't matter to us.
No, it doesn't.
Because we still continue. But what takes the biggest knock is you.
Yeah, for sure.
Whether it's physically you take the knock, whether it's mentally you take the knock, whether it's financially you take the knock, but you're taking a knock somewhere and you don't care to take that knock. It's okay. Whoa.
Yeah, because the knock isn't an instant knock.
Because we can't see beyond our noses. Who knows? You understand? So, yeah. So the reason why Singa thingy about the religion and God, don't know, that's too far. Like,
yeah, that's way. Yeah, exactly. And so, but we also have the thing of
sure, that's wild.
Measuring izono and going, at least I'm not a murderer.
Yeah, but it matters.
But what I'm saying is we measure izono and we go, oh, this is such a tiny little bit. Like, I'm not doing anything hectic. I'm not hurting anyone. This is not against the law.
It's, you see, this is the thing, because now we're still thinking about the law. We're still thinking about other people. asikho thina in this equation at all.
But indenza ntoni mna le?
Correct. Because if you ask that question, the first answer you will get to an answer by, hey, actually, lewele, iyan disadvantage, lewele is actually hurting me. You will get to that answer if you ask, if when you're going through your list of things, but okay, no, don't worry. God has seen worse. My parents won't see me. I'm not a murderer. You know, because it's sono legal. And whatever the case may be, what about you? You are not, like, we don't even make it on our own lists.
No, we don't.
That's scary, mate.
Every time you're wrong. Firstly, acknowledge that you're wrong, because I feel like that process is also washed out the window. You're just doing. You're not going, correct,
because automated.
Yeah. So then what? So what must happen?
Funny, we must. I don't know, because I think it's you based. We must just want the best for ourselves, bro. It's rooted in wanting the best for yourself. And in Lagi, we don't have those kinds of relationships with ourselves.
Yeah.
Because half of the things that we do, someone close to you said, Friday.
Don't do that. Why would you do that? It's normal.
And bro, that's rooted in worth. It was rooted in value. How much value do you give to that?
Yeah. How much value do you place on yourself as well?
Whoa, scary.
That's what you think.
This is the thing. Because also, the definition of self-love.
Yeah.
It's been made to be so artificial
and physical
aesthetics.
Yeah.
Who showed you that you vasa every day, fagi lipstick, bombo. No, but that's where you think the value is.
In what people see.
You understand?
And experience.
Correct.
Yeah.
Again, what other people?
Not when.
Wow.
When you go to bed at night, are you proud of the person you were that day?
We don't even learn that anyway, mate.
No, for sure. But that's what I'm saying, that the value lies there in the place that we don't go to.
The dark, long forgotten place.
Yeah.
That we don't even know how to access.
No.
And we only know how to access when we are in deep trouble.
Ewe.
That time you in trouble.
Yeah, for sure. And your trouble, it didn't just arrive. Like, there were steps taken to get there.
Absolutely.
That you were partaking in.
Correct. Each and every day, Usiti, this thing is valueless. Let me do this. This thing is valueless. Let me do this. This thing is valueless. Let me do this. Wow. Talita. No, so boring.
Fondini. It's just... It's that time of the year for deep.
Reflect. What causes it?
What causes this? I was thinking of me being younger. I guess because mom was around and there was lots of reminiscing happening and whatever. And I was just thinking of some of the stuff I used to do and hide from them. And I was like, I get doing that because you're not supposed to do this thing. And abazali bako are going to be disappointed at the very least.
At the minimum.
At a minimum, right? But there might be other consequences that are uncomfortable for you. But the person that gave you the law sees you break it all the time.
Clean.
Ababantu, the human beings, are inconsequential.
Clean.
But the consequences come from them, the immediate consequences anyway, or what we consider to be consequences, because the consequences could come in 20 years.
Sure.
But, I mean...
Or 9 months.
It's a blessing.
Please finish off your sentence.
So I was just thinking about ikhona into wrong okulondo, because lo mntu who told me, not umntu, but the entity that told me to not do this sees me do it. Noma ndingayenza phansi kwebhedi iyandibona ndiyenza, but I don't care about that.
You don't care about you, because when you were told to not do this, why?
There was a reason.
What is that reason?
It's wrong for wena. It's not going to be good for your body. It's not going to be good for your mind. Whatever.
Yeah, any one of those fears.
Yes, and
fears.
But you don't care
about yourself.
About yourself. Let me say it. I don't care about myself.
And super right, Nyan. I don't care. But the thing is, we think you don't care
about the situation.
You don't care about the consequences. But what you're actually saying with your inner voice is that you don't care about yourself.
Yo.
Oh, that's hard. Hardcore. Hardcore le ndiyithethayo Talita.
I didn't expect it to get here.
Bro, sinjani like sinjani? Like singabantu abanjani? Hayi, singabantu abafazi funny. Because Nyan, half of the things that we do, you wouldn't let your child do them.
No, because they'd be bad for them.
Because it would be bad for them.
In some way, shape, or form. But wena uzozenza wena.
Yes, deserve wena.
Yes, deserve. Yeah. For sure.
Because we lost cause anyways. So might as well.
Wefonisa njumba ke soneni sonke all the time. Who am I?
Siyazi njumba half the time. Few sins happen to you. Sita baba happenayo to Ison. Few things happen to you. Clever kaloku. No, I didn't have a choice. Also, no, it was this. I was stuck between a rock and a hard place. Na. And all in an effort to speed up our demise. Because that's what we're doing.
For sure. Well, I don't expect this to get here.
I didn't expect it either, bro. Like, I've never thought about it. I've never thought about, and you're right, you always think about happening at least if I jump.
Grand.
And then you almost equate not being found out as
being successful.
Sum of zero.
And this is my thing. So when you're now asking for forgiveness, you don't even think of as his honor, right? So when you're asking for forgiveness, are you asking for forgiveness for those sins that you deem to be big deals only? Of which
I don't even think that's the right way to do it. That's like
our father kuthiwa usixolele izono zethu.
Template, yeah. It's a template.
But I mean, it's a prayer that's been given for us to
use as a template.
But it's not wrong using the template.
Well, here we are now, blanketing over things. Now, there's things that we don't know. There's things that go wrong.
Does that mean that you're not going to be forgiven for the things you don't specify?
Why are you so proud asking that question? Talita, Manela, utani uthunywa ngubani? Yela uzethu na. Ayikuse andifuna uba lapha, andifuna uphuma mna apha. Ngubani? Yeah, wash
group. Your group
I don't know, Talita, but I think mna, if you know better is required of you.
Because now you can't go back ngoku ucinge zonke izono zakho manje uziname one by one because
uthandaza wena once a quarter that.
No, but I'm just saying from today, like let's say uthatha isinqumo namhlanje ba hey, I need to be more aware of into endizenzayo, how I'm hurting myself, how I'm breaking the the law, and then but you can't go back go 2015 dakhe because uzlibele.
Okay.
Not that you can't, but it's like it's gonna be impossible to recount everything.
Yeah.
So now that you've decided to become more intentional, and now that you've decided to think a little bit more,
take it from where you are, bro.
Take it from where you are.
I think take it from where you are. Obviously, it's gonna that are gonna jump up or jump out. Asking for forgiveness is what? An apology.
Yes.
Okay. And what is the best apology?
Changing your
behavior.
That's another argument. Yeah.
I think from this moment on, I mean, uzawuthini dabi lemon juice. Good.
Also why?
also guys, hey guys, kamakhaya ngamakhaya thina sikhule ilemon juice singayityeza abantwana nkiwa ngabazali nabhaqa igazini yami imbomi lemon juice.
Why? It's not like
imagine because they don't do it. Yeah, mommy lemon juice.
If we could drink lemon juice, we'd never even look at it.
Well, because it's lemon juice.
Yes.
And now, when lo mntu lo
uyaba he's stealing. Excuse
me. My son doesn't understand.
Yes. Uyaba fondini.
So wonile lo mntu lo ubile. Yeah. Talita, I don't know, inkulu topic for him na early man enyakeni. Fanele
ufuna ithetha nini ngoJune?
Fanele abuza nditye imigridi, imingaphi, njalo. Hey, na.
There was one thing I do not care about.
Yeah, understand? How do you feel ngoku 20 years uyindoda, so is it different? Awusemgidi.
No, ndifuna uqala ndibona umuntu
njani. So 21st yobudoda next year. You're the 21st yobudoda kulo nyaka kodini. Come on, Ntomzuvela.
I first need to understand what kind of person you are.
Hectic. So next week you're gonna ask me how my December was. Fantastic. Yo, what a rough start to the year.
Why?
No, this topic. It's so thought-provoking, like December and the exposed.
You know what? I think my theme is for this year. I mean, I don't like to say it like there's a way by
new me.
Yes, but I like to set themes for the year where you go.
What's the theme you have last year?
Oh, I've been in last year.
Okay.
In hopeless.
Free wheeler.
Free wheeler. But I think my theme for this year is just to be intentional.
And I have a year for the books, man.
Yeah, because as you said, since it's really fun, you are just out here, bro. Hurting ourselves, blah, 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 blah. So as our conversations that you have with yourself, I think are so important because having an honest one anyway, because you find out so much of exactly. And so I think just being intentional is a good theme to have, not only with yourself, obviously with abanye abantu and people I spend time with, people I decide to give my energy to, yonke londo, all of those other things as well. I think it's a good one, man, because it takes you to all spheres. It's not just about yourself, but I think the important one right now in this quarter specifically is to be intentional with myself.
Sure. Sure. And you being intentional with yourself, ne? With ne, not to. Yeah. You being intentional with yourself spills over. This is the whole thing. Because we treat things, we treat people a lot like how we treat ourselves. So if I'm not intentional with myself, it is a little bit harder to be intentional with you. And I think it's things that we don't kind of think about and understand fundamentally about this panajana.
And a lot of things is kala kuwe. And they spill over in whichever way you treat them. Yeah, for sure.
Ooh,
but we do ignore ourselves. And I don't want to ignore myself.
Brian, I deserve, you don't deserve that. You don't deserve to be ignored by anybody, even yourself.
Especially not yourself, yeah. Especially not yourself.
Wow.
So how you like them 2026 apples?
Yo, sana. Hi, Chonga. Hi, apple juice. Sure.
So guys, let us know about about the topic we've kind of covered today and what your thoughts are on it and how you think. I mean, we chat and we give our views and stuff, but a lot of the time you guys have different ones and we love to hear them as well.
No, absolutely. Always an opportunity to learn or laugh.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Because you can't get stuck in just the way you think, you know? But that you've never heard before and you go, oh, so let us know what you think. And welcome back, guys. Reminder, oh, malume, no cousin, no makuluba, we are back. Njalo.
Babukela ngoDecember ke buyile ngoku. Nansi link njalo njalo ibona mos.
Hey, we please keep the good work up.
Yes.
Keep up the good work.
I agree. No, absolutely. And I think true to our theme and what we always do, right, which is like what we're about, love each other. And I think we might have even mentioned this before last year. It's useless. It's unattainable if it doesn't start with you. It's unattainable. It's a farce. It's a joke. You won't be able to do it if you can't do it with yourself.
For sure.
So I think, I love your theme for the year, and I think put it in a place where we're really, really, really intentional about things. And I know that even our end result will change. This is the thing, because it changes your whole path. It changes your whole trajectory. And you end up in an entirely different place, a place that you never even thought.
For sure.
Because that's where we're destined to be, bro. You know my story. You are 1 out of 1, my man. At the end of the day, you are meant to be somewhere where no one has been. So we need to stop trying to follow where people have been, because that's not where you're supposed to be, bro. You're supposed to be somewhere else totally different. Somewhere that's perfect for you. Again, now where you've got a part to play.
100%.
So, okay, ngosibenathi bafethu man. Akululanga, but what we can do is try.
For sure. So on that what on that done?
Sober note.
On that sober note, don't forget to love yourself so that you can love each other.
you've got a nice blonde there, and you say, and then she looks at me and she says, then she looks at you and she says, you must shoot a can off my head. Then she looks at you and she says, if you hit it, I'll let you kiss me with my mouth open. And then you say, looks go, bro.
It's a trap. Don't do it.